Nasa elements of exercise program that including the fit, the frequency, intensity, time, and size. So before that, I will be going to group you into 4 that will represent the frequency, intensity, time, and size. So this will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and 4. You will see the frequency, intensity, time, and size. Time. Ano lang, parang short na jingle ang good. Jingle ang good. Because related siya sa time, related siya sa frequency. Intensity. So now, let's explore the functions of fit principle, the frequency, intensity, time, and time. So, frequency. This refers to the frequency of exercise undertaken or how often you exercise. Example, 5 to 6 times per week. Another definition, the point is to meet the goals without overtraining the body. Next, the intensity. This refers to the intensity of exercise undertaken or how hard you exercise. And then also the intensity can vary between the light, moderate, and vigorous intensity activities. Just for example, walking slowly is low intensity activity. Walking briskly or shooting around the basketball is a moderate intensity activity. And running is a vigorous intensity activity. Next, the time. That refers to the time spent exercising or how long you exercise for. According to Lester and 2020, experts recommend to have at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or at least 75 minutes of high intensity exercise a week. Just for example, a long bike ride would take up 2 hours. That is example of time. The type, this refers to the type of exercise undertaken or what kind of exercise. A type of exercise that may be undertaken as a cardio or strength training. Example of that is running, spinning, walking, or routine. So now let's explore the importance of fit principles. Fit principle offers a structure and components used to develop, monitor, and enhance both cardiovascular and strength training. These are the benefits of fit principle: improve fitness and increase general muscle strength, increase cardiovascular endurance, achieving health goals, weight loss, and improve mental health. So, Irish, can you give another benefits of fit principle? One example only. A benefit. And applying fit principle.
Alin si Rafael.
Okay. Frequency is part of a fifth principle. Frequency means how often you do an exercise in a week. Now, we created a song dedicated to our beloved
Tubangan.
May mga
Hoy, mabila mo guys! Okay, 1 year naman yung buwan. 1, mabilis ka?
Pinapatubangan.
1, 2, 3, go! Lunes, nang tayo'y mag-ehersisyo. Martes, nang tayo'y tumatakbo. Martes, ako'y natatakot ng lamang. Martes, nang ako'y tumakbo na naman. Martes, ang ginawa ko, ginawa sa Lunes. Sabado, sumakit ang aking ulo at pagsabit ng linggo.
Okay, mamaya naman na.
Group din ata ay group din dito. Anong time na kami?
Sige, go.
Good morning, everyone. We will now be performing about. We will be showing a little about frequency. Frequency means this refers to.
Frequency?
So,
Wait ka na, sana yun eh. Mabiti ka na yun.
sorry po.
Wait ka na sa wala dili mo mag-game.
Go.
Good morning, everyone. We will be showing a little about frequency or context. This refers to how hard you execute the exercise. Now,
Okay, mamaya na.
Kamu na!
Quiet side. Ano sa quiet? Ano sa quiet? C4. Ano mo? Wow!
Quiet lang everyone.
Shting! Sam!
Sam!
Kuya, Judy siya?
Nahihira siya.
Sam! Time outside.
Time on time.
Madali lang.
1, 2, 3, go. No, 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 iya, no, no, iya, no. No, iya,
The fifth spirit!
Good day, everyone. Now we're going to set time and time.
Ano na?
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Sing. Running. Okay, the type of exercise that we executed as are swimming and running.
So basically, you need to identify the type of exercise you need to take. After that, you need to know the time duration that you can execute the type of exercise. Okay? So basically, the importance of time and type is to know the capability of your body. Okay? You need to know the duration of time that you need to execute the type of exercise. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, and